Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing from the Real on the Aquarelle Watercolor Speedy 30, and this item was made in 2008, so it's 11 years old. And I gotta tell you guys that I've been on the hunt for this for a long time. It's either not in the condition that I want, or I just order something and then it pops up and I can't get it, obviously. Or, you know, when I try to get it, it's like it's sold already. This has actually been on the Real. I have been looking at it for a week before I decided to order it. It was also on Fashion File last week. But as soon as I tried to place it in the cart, it was sold like that quick. Like I got an email notification. It was like, this is in stock. So I went there and I was going to order it and it was gone. This is the box. I'll let you guys know my thoughts on ordering from the Real at the end of the video. There's actually one more thing left in here. Okay, that was it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out for you guys. Look at this. I cannot believe I actually scored this. I've been wanting it for a long time. This bag is so beautiful. It is definitely a rare unicorn. There has been like a lot of people that have been wanting this bag. It usually is sold in a size 35, but I have been dead set on getting a 30. The 35 is just like way too big for me. I'm sorry, that little noise you guys were hearing, that was my puppy. Messing with her water bowl. No ma'am, Cinderella. And that's the dust bag for it. I don't know why, I kind of like the little drawstring dust bags. This, I believe my receipt is in here. The receipt. It actually has like the little booklet. Tag. See that. The textile card. No, Cinderella. And also the keys that go with the lock. And the inside of here is pretty clean. It does have like a small little stain, but it's like right in the corner, so you can't really see it. Normally Speedies have the day code like right underneath the tab, but I mean underneath the pocket, but this one doesn't. It's like off to the side. Let me see if you guys can see that. There it is, like right off to the side. Now the day code on this is SP1068, meaning it was made on the 16th week of 2008. This is my unicorn bag. I love this bag, and I am so happy to be having this in my collection now. There's like the corners are great. There's like no ribbon or anything on the corners. This was well taken care of. So what I think about purchasing from the Real, this is my first purchase from the Real, and what I can say is everything was packaged well. My order went smooth. It was as described. You know, there's a lot of people, it's hit and miss with them, I guess. People might get things that aren't as described, but one thing that I did not like, and this is a big thing that really turned me off, was the fact that they did not require a signature on my package. And this bag was not cheap. This is a very expensive bag, and for them to not require a signature, anybody could have ended up with my bag, okay? Because, you know, there is no one shipping in this world that is absolutely reliable. They make mistakes. And although I like UPS, you know, anything could have happened. They could have just set it on my porch. Somebody could have took it. They could have delivered it to the wrong address. That is why you need to require a signature, especially on expensive items. And they didn't require a signature on my item. Luckily, I made sure my husband was home because I thought somebody was going to need to sign for it. I had left, and I thought that, you know, my package needed to be signed for. But he went to try to sign for it, and they was like, you don't have to sign for it. I was like, what? He messing me, and I was like, are you serious? But other than that, everything went well with the Real. To me, as far as buying wise, I would definitely probably lean more towards Fashion File than a Real. Simply because Fashion File, you get free complimentary shipping. Now, if you want to choose like 2-day shipping or something like that, of course that'll cost extra, but they give you free shipping. The Real does not give you free shipping. You have to pay shipping on your order regardless. Also, Fashion File's packaging is definitely more secure. It's more welcoming. You know, you get the cards, you get everything packaged right. They got like these little confetti things, and the packaging is just, you know, it's very inviting when you open up your package from Fashion File. But, you know, my item didn't arrive damaged or anything. It was definitely secure in the box. I wish they would have, like, you know, put bubble wrap on the bottom as well as the top. But they just put bubble wrap on the top. But my item came intact, very beautiful. It was definitely as described, and I'm happy with my order. So, you know, I'm not going to fault them on that. But I do have another unboxing coming up in a few days. I'm waiting on my package to arrive. I purchased on the pre-love market the giant reverse monogram Speedy Bondolor 30. That sold out pretty quick once it came out. I actually ordered it in brand new as a full set with everything. So I'm excited about that unboxing too, because that was a bag that I definitely wanted to get. And it took me a while to get that as well because they sold out completely in the stores. So you definitely have to turn to the pre-love market to get it. And there were quite a few people selling it, but as you know, with limited edition items like this that come out, you know, supply and demand, the pricing is going to be very, very high. So when I was looking for this bag, it kind of turned me off from purchasing right away because I mean, they were priced crazy. They were definitely priced crazy on the high end. Like the bag, I believe, was like $19.10, $19.20 retail price, but people were selling it for like $2,700. I liked the bag, but it wasn't that much for me to spend that kind of money on. Now this actually paid. I paid well over what this originally retail for, and that's because this is highly sought after, very in demand. It's a rare unicorn, especially in the size that it's in, so you're definitely going to be paying a premium for this type of bag. But as far as that giant monogram, I don't consider that to be paying a big premium on. Definitely not, unless you absolutely gotta have it. I was not about to spend that much on it, so I actually think I got mine for a good deal. And brand new condition as a full set. You just have to, you know where to look and things like that. I actually bought it in a group from Facebook. I put it in search of. I had a specific budget that I wanted, and I actually got it for less than what I was wanting to pay for it. So I'm happy about that. And I'll definitely post that video in a few days when I get my bag. It actually just got out of custom, so it's on its way to me. Because yes, that was an international order, but it was invoiced through PayPal, shippable goods, so I'm covered. Just in case, anything goes wrong, I'm covered. That's definitely how I like to purchase my items, through PayPal, shippable goods. I'm not paying with no Cash App, Venmo, bank transfer, anything like that. I ain't getting screwed. Okay, I'm not getting scammed. And even though with PayPal like that, you can still get scammed, but at least I know, I'm protected and I can get my money back one way or the other. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're looking for this bag, or if you're on the fence about ever getting this bag, I definitely say go ahead and get it. Because this bag is so beautiful. And I'm so glad to have this. I would definitely say purchase this bag. A lot of people just call it the Watercolor Speedy 30, so you don't have to say Aquarelle or anything like that. People just call it Watercolor, so Watercolor Speedy 30. And they also have this in a size 35 if you like a bigger bag. And they're normally around the same price range. It just all depends on the condition. Because somebody was selling one just like this, but it was a size 35 for the same price. But I wanted the 30, so I held off on purchasing and just waited for the 30. And luckily, the Real had a size 30. But thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.